line and catch the defense in the right personnel group.
Right back to the airways. Flowers. Jackson on third down. Wide open. It's caught. Flowers. Beckham's still looking for his first catch as he plays his first game in more than 18 months. Jackson's third down pass is caught. Flowers again.
Breaking tackles. But I do believe as the season goes on, you're going to see this offense, be one of the more potent offenses in the NFL.
Flowers. Boy, the dynamism in this kid's legs, just incredible.
This is the younger brother.
Going head-to-head today, 2nd and 2. They swing one to Flowers. Flowers makes a move and has a first down. We saw a lot of that last week against the Texans, and he moves the chain.